Most SUVs look impressive on the lot. But here's the truth. Many of them turn into money pits just a few years later. Surprise repairs, sky-high maintenance, disappointing performance. It's the nightmare no one wants to face. But the good news? Not all SUVs are built the same. Consumer Reports tested over 70 different models, and only a handful rose to the top as truly dependable. These are the SUVs you can buy today and actually keep for the long haul. No regrets, no headaches, just peace of mind. So let's count down the 7 most reliable SUVs of 2025 that will protect your wallet, your sanity, and your time. Number 7. Subaru Forester. Starting off our list at number 7, the Subaru Forester. With a dependability score of 86 out of 100, this SUV isn't just reliable, it's elite. Every model comes with Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive as standard, something many competitors charge thousands extra for. And this isn't just marketing hype. The Forester delivers outstanding traction on snow, rain, and rugged backroads, often outclassing SUVs that cost over $10,000 more. Fuel efficiency is another shocker. 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway. That's sedan-like fuel economy in a rugged SUV package. Add Subaru's EyeSight safety suite, also standard, and you get one of the safest and smartest buys on the market. The Forester's proof you don't have to spend luxury money to get true dependability. Number 6. Acura RDX. At number 6, we've got the Acura RDX, one of the most overlooked luxury SUVs you can buy. Built on Honda's rock-solid foundation, it delivers the rare combination of luxury comfort and mechanical dependability. Under the hood, a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with 272 horsepower makes it quick and fun to drive, while still hitting 28 mpg on the highway. Inside, you'll find standard leather-trimmed seating, a panoramic moonroof, and Acura's full suite of safety tech, features that German brands often make you pay extra for. And here's the kicker. The RDX holds its value far better than most luxury rivals. Many owners keep theirs well over a decade, enjoying performance and comfort without the constant drain of luxury repair bills. If you want a luxury SUV without the luxury headaches, this is your answer. Number 5. Lexus RX. Coming in at number 5, the legendary Lexus RX. For years, the RX has been the gold standard for luxury SUVs that don't break down. It's quiet, comfortable, and refined, but most importantly, it's built to last. Choose the RX 350 for a smooth V6 or the RX Hybrid for over 30 miles per gallon, which is nearly unheard of in this segment. What sets Lexus apart is Toyota engineering with a luxury finish. Unlike German rivals that pack in fragile electronics and expensive turbos, the RX keeps things simple and durable. That means lower repair costs, stronger resale value, and fewer headaches down the road. If you want true long-term luxury, the Lexus RX continues to be one of the smartest bets you can make. Number 4. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. At number 4, we have the Toyota Highlander Hybrid, a family SUV that doesn't just meet expectations, it crushes them. It earned a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports. Less than 2% of vehicles ever achieve this level of dependability. On top of that, it gets an incredible 36 miles per gallon combined. For the average family, that means saving more than $800 a year on fuel. Real money back in your pocket. Owners routinely report 250,000 miles and 15 years of dependable use. And it's not just reliable, it's beloved, earning a perfect 5 out of 5 in owner satisfaction. If you want a 3-row SUV that lasts for decades without draining your bank account, the Highlander Hybrid is a no-brainer. Number 3. Mazda CX5. Number 3 goes to the Mazda CX5, the SUV that proves you can have fun and reliability in the same package. Available with a 256 horsepower turbocharged engine, it delivers driving excitement that rivals performance SUVs costing much more. But the real story is what happens after 60,000 miles. While many sporty SUVs start showing their age, The CX5 keeps going strong, often pushing past 200,000 miles with just basic maintenance. With average annual upkeep costs of only $447, it's not only reliable, it's cheap to own. And at 31 highway mpg, you'll save even more at the pump. The Mazda CX5 is proof you don't need to sacrifice driving pleasure to get dependability. Number 2. Honda CR-V. In second place, the Honda CR-V. If you want an SUV that is hassle-free, easy to maintain, and built to last, this is it. Annual maintenance costs average just $47 a year, less than what many people spend on coffee every month. Thanks to Honda's simple and efficient engineering, the CR-V avoids the costly complexity found in many luxury SUVs. It regularly pushes past 200,000 miles, and when it comes time to resell, it still holds 62 to 70% of its value after 5 years. It's practical, affordable to run, and incredibly dependable. Exactly what most families want in an SUV. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. Finally, at number 1, the unbeatable Toyota RAV4. This SUV nails the balance between value, reliability, and everyday practicality. While most SUVs lose nearly half their value in 5 years, the RAV4 retains a strong 61%, making it one of the best investments you can make in today's market. Starting at around $28,000, it comes well-equipped, with plenty of space, great highway mileage of 35 mpg, and Toyota's bulletproof reliability. One underrated perk? The RAV4 uses a timing chain instead of a timing belt, which saves you thousands in hidden maintenance costs over time. It's affordable, efficient, reliable, and holds its value. No wonder so many buyers keep coming back to it. So there you have it, the 7 most reliable SUVs of 2025 that Consumer Reports says you'll never regret buying. From luxury comfort to family haulers to everyday commuters, these models prove you don't need to gamble on dependability. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more car buying tips and automotive secrets that could save you thousands. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.